Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you so much.
So we'll go through some detail about the AWS, that how you can deploy the directly device from this vManage to AWS environment, Amazon Cloud. So there's a two way. One way is that suppose you have Amazon Cloud Edge. So there's a two way. Either you can deploy this Cisco VH Cloud router directly on the AWS, and that time you need to configure some details, private IP, public IP, netting, some bootstrap configuration you will require, and then you will be able to make connection from the AWS to the vManage. There's another way that you can directly deploy any edge. Where is my vManage? Okay, 172 137. You can directly deploy the edges from here, from vManage to the AWS. So we don't have any active account for that one, and there's something prerequisite you need to build, like VPCs and on which region you are building. So this is the option that you can deploy from here. Is Cloud RAM for SaaS IES. Yeah. So here you can add your AWS. If I click here, so it will give me the error, at least 2 unused edge with template edge should be available in the vManage. So there's a precondition, because when you will deploy these edges directly on the AWS from the vManage, so those should have some basic configuration. That's the reason it is asking that you need to attach some basic template. So if I will go to here, templates, and I will attach this brown side template to any two blank devices. For example, this is VH Cloud router, this. Okay, I will click on attach. Okay, some detail I will just fill here. Anything else like G3 IP, this 40 50 next hop, 56.1.1, okay, 45.1.1.1, MPLS IP 56.1.1.2/30. Okay, some IP here. Just I'm assigning the IP just for example to show you. PH1 AWS system IP 3.6.5.8.9. Anything else? Site ID randomly you can choose, update, and other IP 20 next stop 12 hostname PS2 AWS system IP site ID. Okay, update. Now I am having two devices, configure device, done. Okay, so that's how I can assign some basic configuration that will require to make the devices up on the AWS. So I have attached the template with the two fresh devices which are not as a part of SD-WAN fabric now. Those will be activated directly from the AWS. So we can wait just for 1 minute. So it will attach. This is the basic requirement. If I will go to the document, so that cloud on ramp for IaaS is used to create virtual private cloud instance for hosting VH Cloud Router and different AWS region in public internet. A cloud on-ramp setup comprises three components: a transit VPC, which connects a Viptela overlay network to one or more cloud-based application; a host VPC, which is where cloud-based applications reside, the connections or mapping between the transit VPC and one more host VPC. So this is the basic the architecture that how you can deploy. So you will have two instances, right? And we manage and AWS region virtual private gateway. So basically you should aware about the this transit VPC and host VPCs. How you can step the follow that before integrate SD-WAN cloud, we need to make sure that at least two devices should be whitelisted. In case we don't have it, we see the blue warning. To unused device should have the template. Attach the devices to the template we want to associate with. So these two, because we know that when we deploy any image, we need to change the chassis number and token number. So there is a two-way. Either you will directly deploy in AWS through the Bootstrap, you will do the configuration there, and when Bootstrap configuration you will push there, so it will change the chassis number and token number of that image which you are deploying on the AWS cloud. That's how when the edge will try to communicate to these controllers, vSmart, vMod, vManage, and they will know, okay, you have the same chassis number which is listed in my vManage, so you are the part of organization. I will authorize you. Other way that you can directly deploy this edge from the vManage, we can attach this template. Okay, now if you will click on cloud a new instance, it should not give me the error. So it is showing a scheduled, not deployed, because right now device is not up. It will show you scheduled. If I will go again, cloud on ramp on IaaS, click on add cloud instance. So here you will get the option. You should have your Amazon login.
Like and subscribe my channel and share with those guys who want to learn SD-WAN. Thank you.